been a year since I got this gimbal from a company. That's my bad that it's leaning. Got on a perfect setting for what I'm doing. Just biked up that hill, kinda, because I got an engine. It still can't handle my weight going up the hill. But it's been a year. Me and this thing's been through a lot. I'm just now starting to mount it all ridiculous looking just to get my content. But this setting's especially good for bikes. I got on HL. About to sneeze. Whew, I just biked up this. That was hard. A mile 0.2 or something. So the setting I like so much and why it's good for bikes is when you go side to side, I'm going to tilt the bike. It keeps it level. See how it's like that? It's leveling. Then when you go back, it levels back out. Now, this setting keeps it straight with the alignment, the parallel that you have. So if your bike starts going downhill, it's going to look downhill. If you have it on a normal setting, that thing will keep it straight. So as you're going downhill, it's going to be looking up at the sky. So this setting's pretty cool. I will put right next to this a video of it and how awesome it is with a GoPro Hero 7, with a little lens filter on there. A few videos. Any video that you see of me riding my bike now where it ain't jiggling to death, I'm using this because it's great. Let's get back out there. I don't even know where this road goes.